for me, it lets me see what's going on with my schedule and what's happening in the office in real time, which that is a huge component. A lot of the other services that we've used in the past don't engage in real time. So if somebody makes a change, you didn't know what was happening. But now with that real-time engagement, I can see what's happening in my schedule. I can also text my staff through the team messaging app, which means that I can let them know that I'm paying attention to what goes on with patients. I can text my patients. So if I see a message or call come in that is specifically for me or something that I was engaged on, I can reach right back out to the patient. And patients don't know that I'm not sitting at my desk in the office. They're getting the same service that they always get, which is fast, efficient service from Anantuni Family Dental. They don't know that we're in another place. I also have a hygiene coordinator who works from home on the weekends, and she uses the text to pay feature and the balance feature that we have in order to reach out for patients to help them with their accounts. And again, it's the same thing. Patients don't realize that they're engaging with someone that's not in the office. For them, it's the same extension of our 5-star service that they get all the time. So that means a lot to me that I can reach out to patients and that there's no change in the process. It looks the same.